Take a moment to check out the 2021 Chevrolet Spark. With less than 70,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle stands out from the rest. The Chevrolet Spark, the practical subcompact that packs fun, convenience, efficiency, as well as impressive safety and connectivity technology into a nimble two-door hatchback. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, keyless entry, satellite radio, premium sound system, heated mirrors, backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels, alarm, electronic stability control. Small and efficient means safe and stylish in the Spark. See for yourself. Take it out for a spin.